Welcome to the Mueller Electric Closeup Clips, where you'll get concise, focused insights into the key features, benefits, and applications of our products. This video will showcase our RF coaxial SMB cable assemblies. Our SMB cable assemblies are for electronic test equipment with high frequency. These cables are easy to handle, excellent in smaller spaces. Manufactured for production, laboratory test and measurement, defense, military, aerial antenna towers, and more. We manufacture with SMB gold-plated connectors at 50 ohms RG316 and RG174 cable for flexibility. All lengths available. Operating temperature -65°C, -5°F, and up to 150°C, 302°F. 335 volts working voltage at sea level. Supporting frequencies from DC up to 4 GHz. Each cable has a low VSWR as well as low insertion loss. Our flexible cable is terminated with an SMB male connector. Choose from our selection of connectors including SMB, BNC, N-type, MMCX, and UFL. Available lengths ranging from 6 inches or 152.40 millimeters to 48 inches or 1,219.20 millimeters and 1 meter, 39.4 inches to 2 meters, 78.7 inches. Customizable cable assemblies are available. Our cables are manufactured and comply with IEC 61076-2-101 and Industry 4.0, CE certified, RoHS 3 and REACH compliant. Mueller Electric assures high quality and consistency in manufacturing our products for 100 years and achieves excellence in meeting today's rigorous demands for certifications. In choosing Mueller Electric's electronic and electrical component supplies, you'll receive a reliable, high-quality, feature-packed solution that's competitively priced. This makes them a great option for original equipment manufacturers and our electronic distribution partners. Discover more solutions from Mueller Electric by scanning the QR code or visiting our website at muellerelectric.com. Thank you for watching.